Hello students, let's move for the next part in the lesson freedom movement, that is radicals or extremists. So who are radicals? It is also a group of Congress. I told you INC has divided into three: moderators, radicals and the revolutionaries. They are also the group of a congressmen who they are criticized the thinking of moderators, the leaders who are criticized the thinking of moderators. ಓಕೆ, ಮಾಡ್ರೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನಲ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ವರ್ಕಲ್ಲೇ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ ಅದರ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದ ನಾನ್ ವೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ಡೇ ನಾವು ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಫ್ರೀಡಮ್, ನಮಗೆ ಫ್ರೀಡಮ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನಂಬಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಕ್ರಿಟಿಸೈಸ್ಡ್, ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಕ್ರಿಟಿಸೈಸ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದೋಸ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ದ radicals. Criticized means ವಿಮರ್ಶೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು, ಯು ಆರ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದ ಲೀಡರ್ಸ್ ಹೂ ಆರ್ ಕ್ರಿಟಿಸೈಸ್ಡ್ ದ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ moderators, who are criticized the thinking of moderators, they are called the radicals. Example for radicals or who are the leaders are called as a radicals, that is Aurobindo Ghosh, then Bipin Chandra Pal. They are popularly known as, if you get to know about the Lal, Bal and Pal, okay, so it is easy also to remember. Keep in mind which is that Lal, Bal, Pal. Lal in the sense Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal in the sense Bala Gangadhara Tilak, and Pal in the sense Bipin Chandra Pal. Easily you have to remember this. Lal, Bal, Pal are considered as the radicals or extremists. Okay, Lal in the sense Lala Lajpat Rai and Bal Bala Gangadhara Tilak, then Pal means Bipin Chandra Pal, and along with that Aurobindo Ghosh, like that many more are there, etc. These are called as the radicals or extremists. Okay, the leaders who criticized the thinking of moderators are called as the radicals. Example Aurobindo Ghosh, then Lal, Bal, Pal, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bala Gangadhara Tilak and Bipin Chandra Pal. So in that, the very important leader we have to know about that is Bala Gangadhara Tilak. So he was a very important extremist leader. He was an extremist leader who he also opposed the partition of Bengal. Later I'll tell you about the partition of Bengal. So he opposed the partition of Bengal, who Bala Gangadhara Tilak, and he declared that Bala Gangadhara Tilak declared that Swaraj is my birthright. Okay, Swaraj is my, this is the declaration given by the Bala Gangadhara Tilak. Swaraj is my birthright and I would definitely get it back. Okay, at any cost, any right way I will get it back. Okay, so this is the declaration or the slogan given by whom? Bala Gangadhara Tilak, which is that Swaraj is my birthright, I will definitely get it back. Nanigadu sikke sigute, nanna hakku adu, definitely get it back. So this was the slogan given by whom? Given by the Bala Gangadhara Tilak. Okay, and also he started the Ganesha festival. What you have celebrated the Ganesha festival in the street. So this was first started by the Tilak. Keep in mind why he has started, not by the devotion of Lord Ganesha, to at least by that, because the British didn't give any permission to join each other, the Indians and everything, or to make a group or to make assembly like that. ಯಾವುದೇ ಸಭೆಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಂಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಗುಂಪು ಕೂಡಂಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಜನ. So they are not. So by, if it should be like that, the rule, how the peoples can exchange their ideas towards the freedom, ನಾವು ಹೋರಾಟದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ, so because they has given a permission also what not to involve in a religious activities. Magna Carta, I think you know about that. So by encashing that, ಅದನ್ನು ಎನ್ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು, so who Bala Gangadhara Tilak started the Ganesha festival, and through this celebration he has assembled for the many people. There they are exchanging their ideas about the freedom. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರೀಡಮ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ನಾವೇನು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಸೊ that's why the Tilak started the Ganesha festival. Along with it, Shivaji Jayanti also in Maharashtra, because Shivaji was the main king in Maharashtra. They has celebrated the Shivaji Jayanti. This also started by the Tilak, and also along with the Durga celebration in at the time of Vijayadashami. Okay, so this is Durga celebration, keeping a Durga idols and celebrating this. Through this, they has showing a devotion towards the god, as well as more discussing about the freedom. Okay, by grouping each other. So that is very important. And why he has started? Mainly to organize the people against the British, which are those festival: Ganesha festival, Shivaji Jayanti, and Durga celebration. Along with that, Tilak started the main newspaper, two newspaper. They are Kesari and Maratha, which are the two newspapers started by the Tilak, that is Kesari and Maratha. Note down this. Kesari, this Kesari newspaper is in a Marathi language. It is in a Marathi language, and Maratha is in a English language. That thing, don't get confusion about this. Don't write Maratha in Marathi language. No, not at all. Maratha in English language and Kesari in Marathi language started the two newspaper. And also after, when he has started a revolt against the British by grouping the people, by assembling the people, by seeing his activity and everything, British has arrested the Tilak and put him in the jail. There only, to organize the people from a jail only, he wrote one book that is called as Gita Rahasya. Okay, so Gita Rahasya was the book written by Balagangadhar Tilak in a prison or in a jail. Prison means jail. Why? To organize or to galvanize the common people. So this is about the Tilak. Once again I will tell you. So and it is important also. Tilak, Balagangadhar Tilak was an extremist leader or a radical leader, so who took actively participated in the partition of Bengal, and he declared that, or he gave a slogan, Swaraj is my birthright, I will definitely get it back. Okay, and he started the street festivals like Ganesha festival, Shivaji Jayanti, Durga celebration, mainly to organize or to assemble the peoples to revolt against the British, and also on to exchange their ideas again towards the freedom. And also he started the two newspaper. One is called Kesari in Marathi and Maratha in English language. In that he wrote a many article against the against the British, and also towards the freedom. And when his activities as becoming more, by that time Tilak was arrested by the British and put him in the prison or put him in the jail. There only to organize, there also he never forget to provoke the peoples again towards the freedom. So from there only he wrote the book that is called as the Gita Rahasya. So this is about the Tilak. So next we have to, I told you Tilak actively participated in the revolutionaries division of Bengal. So what are the main reason? This is the main incident took place in the history, and it is recorded also, that is called as division of Bengal. Division of Bengal took place in the year 1905. Keep in mind. Okay. So here the Bengal is the center of anti-British Protestant sentiment. Okay, anti-British. These Bengal people not allowed the British to come for the Bengal. Like that, they has protected more about the Bengal. So here in a Bengal, there will be the two divisions. That is the East Bengal. East Bengal had more Muslims. So East Bengal had more Muslims, and the West Bengal had more Hindus. Okay, East Bengal has more Muslims and the West Bengal had more Hindus. Here, when the anti-British Protestant has more in a Bengal, the British tried to capture the Bengal and has to implement their main policy, that is the divide and rule policy. So there has provoked the Muslim against the Hindu. Muslim ana hettikudru. Yar virudha? Hindu virudha. Okay, they has provoked the Muslim against the Hindus, and through that they tried to suppress the freedom struggle. Suppress the freedom struggle in the sense, what the Hindu and Muslim together they are joining and started their struggle against the British. That is called freedom struggle. Freedom struggle ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು? To suppress, ಅದನ್ನು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತಾನೆ British implemented the division of Bengal and provoked the Muslim to go against the Hindus ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಹೋಗಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. So here the main role played by the English officer, that is nothing but Lord Curzon. Okay, Lord Curzon, Lord Curzon, it is Lord Curzon divided the Bengal in the year 1905. In the year 1905. Yes, when they has divided that ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್ನವ್ರನ್ನೇ ಬಿಡದೇ ಇದ್ದಂಥ ಬೆಂಗಾಲ್ ಅಂತ ಜಾಗನ ಯಾವಾಗ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೋ, ದೆನ್ ದ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎನ್ಕರೇಜಸ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೋಸಿವ್ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಸ್ಟ್, ಎಲ್ಲಂದ್ರಲ್ಲೇ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೋಸಿವ್ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಗೇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೆಂಗಾಲ್. ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ದಟ್ ದ ಸ್ವದೇಶಿ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್, ತಿಲಕ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ದ ಸ್ವದೇಶಿ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್, ನಾಟ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಾರಿನ್ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ, ಬರೀ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಗೂಡ್ಸನ್ನೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಸ್ವದೇಶಿ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ ದ Tilak, ಅಂಡರ್ ದ ಲೀಡರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಆಫ್ Tilak, and also boycotting through that ಸ್ವದೇಶಿ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್, boycotting the foreign goods and the use of local goods. Boycotting means ತಿರಸ್ಕಾರ ಮಾಡೋದು, rejecting the foreign goods. Okay, so when this movement, ಸ್ವದೇಶಿ movement took place, then the common people also what support for this ಸ್ವದೇಶಿ movement, they are rejected the use of foreign goodನ ಯಾವಾಗ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, that is a great loss for the English. ಅದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೋಸಿವ್ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಸ್ಟ್ takes place throughout the India for the division of Bengal. By that time the British withdraw the division of Bengal in the year 1911 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1905 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದವರು 1911 ಅಲ್ಲಿ they has withdraw the division of Bengal. Okay, how the division of Bengal was withdrawn? Because a lot of explosive protests took place against the division of Bengal against the British, and also the Swadeshi movement was took place under the leadership of Bala Gangadhara Tilak. So in that even the Tilak told to the peoples not to use the foreign goods, only use the Swadeshi goods. Swadeshi in the sense ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ local goods. Okay, so by that, so when it is becoming a great loss for the English, by that time they took back the division of Bengal in the year 1911, and again the East Bengal and the West Bengal rejoin again. It's become a Bengal. ಮತ್ತೆ East Bengal ಮತ್ತೆ West Bengal ಒಂದೇ ಆಯಿತು. So next we have to know about the another leaders, that is the revolutionaries, another group of Congress, that is revolutionaries. Who are called as a revolutionaries? The leaders who believed that British drive away through the violent method only. ಬರೀ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ. ಹಿಂಸೆನೇ ಬೇಕು, ಅಹಿಂಸೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಯೋಲೆನ್ಸೇ ಬೇಕು. ದೆರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಫ್ ನಾನ್ ವೈಲೆನ್ಸ್ ತಪ್ಪಲ್ಲ. ಹಿಂಸೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ಅವರನ್ನು ಓಡಿಸಬೇಕು. ದ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಅವೇ ಥ್ರೂ ದ ವಯೋಲೆಂಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್, ಹೂ ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಲೀಡರ್ಸ್ ಬಿಲೀವ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ದ revolutionaries. Who are those revolutionaries like that? A great revolutionary is nothing but Bhagat Singh. I think you heard about his name. Okay, Bhagat Singh, then Chandrasekhara Azad, V.D. Savarkar, Vinayaka Damodar Savarkar. Full name was Vinayaka Damodar Savarkar. Then along with that Chandrasekhara Azad, V.D. Savarkar, Vinayaka Damodara Savarkar, then Raja Guru Medam Kama, Raj Bihari Ghosh. These are the examples for revolutionaries. Who are those? Bhagat Singh, V.D. Savarkar, Chandrasekhara Azad, Rajguru, Medam Kama, and Raj Bihari Ghosh, etc. So they believed that the British can drive away through the violent, and they established, okay, against the British government, they has established the secret association, because many of the members not what assembled each other, no. So that's why they has established the secret association, not only in India, in outer country, I mean in their country, ಅವರ ಕಂಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲೇ ಸೀಕ್ರೆಟ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರು. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅವ್ರ ಬುಡಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರೇ ಬೆಂಕಿ ಇಕ್ಕೋದು ಬೆಂಕಿ ಇಕ್ಕೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅಗೇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಎಸ್ಟಾಬ್ಲಿಷ್ಡ್ ದ ಸೀಕ್ರೆಟ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೆಂಡ್. ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ದೋಸ್ ಸೀಕ್ರೆಟ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಲೋಟಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡ್ರ್ಯಾಗರ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೆಂಡ್. ಲೋಟಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡ್ರ್ಯಾಗರ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೆಂಡ್. ದೆನ್ ಗಧಾ ಇನ್ USA. Gadha is also the name of the secret association established by the revolutionaries, and along with that Abhinava Bharata Anushilana Samiti in India. So this is in England, and Gadha in USA. USA means United States of America. So along with that Abhinava Bharata and Anushilana Samiti. Note down this: Abhinava Bharata and Anushilana Samiti in India. So this is in India. So these were the organization, secret organization established by the revolutionaries. Why they has? Why? Because to revolt against the British, and also to collect the weapons and the money, okay, against the British. To collect the weapons are very important now to fight against the British, because they mainly used the violent method. Okay, ಬಾಂಬ್ಗಳು ಅಥವಾ ಗನ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, and also the money for the war. So that is the work of that. And these are the first group used the bombs and the guns to achieve their goal. That is very important, bombs and the gun. So still at many of the Indian kings or Indian strugglers, okay, fought only with sword like that, ಕತ್ತಿ ಗುರಾಣಿಗಳಿಂದ ಹೋರಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. But they are the first person who used the bombs and the guns against the British. That is nothing but revolutionaries. The British government suppressed them. Okay, so when their activity is more, when many of the British lost their life by the revolutionaries, by that time British suppressed them by hanging them to death. Okay, where they find out the revolutionaries, immediately they catch them, and without any hearing in the sense without any arguments, ವಾದಗಳು ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ದಾನೆ ಕೋರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ದೇ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಡ್ ದೆಮ್ ಟು ಡೆತ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಾಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನರೀಸ್. ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದಟ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಆಲ್.